Want to make your clothes look stylish? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fashion and style. We'll delve into how to tailor your wardrobe to not only fit your body type and color preferences, but also to elevate your personal style. Why, you ask? Because personal style is more than just clothes. It's a powerful tool that can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. So let's dive right into the world of fashion and style. Scene script. First things first, knowing your body type is key to styling your clothes. Understanding your body type is like having a secret weapon. It allows you to play up your best features and downplay the areas you might feel less confident about. It's not about trying to fit into a mold, but rather celebrating your unique shape and learning how to dress it in a way that makes you feel confident and stylish. There are several common body types, and each one has its own set of guidelines that can help when choosing clothes. Let's briefly touch on a few of these. For starters, we have the rectangle body shape, typically characterized by similar bust, waist, and hip measurements. The trick here is creating curves where there might not be a lot of natural definition. Clothes that cinch at the waist or add volume to the hips and bust can work wonders. Next up, we have the hourglass shape, often recognized by a well-defined waist and roughly equal bust and hip measurements. With this body type, it's all about accentuating those natural curves. Clothes that hug the waist or highlight the bust and hips can really make the hourglass figure shine. The pear body shape with wider hips than bust often benefits from clothing that adds a bit of volume to the upper body, balancing out the natural lower body curves. Think broad necklines, statement sleeves, or detailed tops. Then we have the apple body shape, generally characterized by wider shoulders and bust than hips. Here the trick is to draw attention to the lower body. A-line skirts, structured pants, or dresses with a lower waistline can be great choices. Lastly, we have the inverted triangle with a wider bust and shoulders compared to the hips. Clothes that add volume to the lower body and minimize the upper body can help create balance. But remember, these are just guidelines, not rules. Your body, your style. Embrace your shape, play around with different styles, and find what makes you feel good. Remember, the goal is not to fit into a certain type, but to understand your unique shape and how to dress it best. Now that you know your body type, let's talk about colors. Colors are like the secret weapon in your fashion arsenal. They have the power to enhance your appearance, highlight your best features, and even influence your mood. Imagine colors as a language, where each hue communicates a different message. Bright, bold colors, for instance, exude confidence, energy, and a sense of adventure. On the other hand, softer pastel tones suggest calmness, sophistication, and subtlety. But how do you choose the right ones for you? Well, a great starting point is understanding your skin tone. Your skin's undertones, whether they're cool, warm, or neutral, can significantly influence which colors make you shine. If your skin has cool undertones, colors like bright blues, emerald greens, and deep purples will harmonize beautifully with your complexion. For those with warm undertones, earthy tones like mustard yellows, rich browns, and burnt oranges can enhance your natural glow. And if you fall into the neutral category, lucky you. You have a bit more flexibility and can experiment with a wider range of colors. Remember, these are just guidelines, not rules set in stone. The world of colors is vast and thrilling, and it's all about finding what makes you feel good. Don't shy away from trying out different hues. You might be surprised at what you discover. Also, keep in mind that colors can affect how your body shape is perceived. Darker colors tend to have a slimming effect, while lighter or brighter colors can draw attention to certain areas. So, strategically using colors can help you accentuate your best features and downplay those you're less confident about. And let's not forget about the power of color combinations. Pairing colors that contrast or complement each other can create visually striking outfits that turn heads. So, play around with different color pairings and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Choosing the right colors can truly make a difference. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Mastered your body type and colors? Great, now let's mix and match. The secret to a stylish wardrobe lies not just in the individual pieces, but how you combine them. Versatility is the key. Having versatile pieces in your wardrobe means you can create a myriad of looks without needing a closet the size of a department store. Think of your wardrobe as a palette of colors. Each item of clothing is a hue that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of visual effects. Just as a painter can create an endless array of scenes using just a few basic colors, you too can craft a multitude of outfits from a few well-chosen pieces. Let's start with the basics. Every wardrobe should have a selection of staple items. These are the timeless classics. Items like a white shirt, A pair of well-fitting jeans, a little black dress, or a sharp blazer. These are the backbone of your wardrobe, the pieces you can always rely on. Now think about how you can combine these staples to create different looks. Pair that white shirt with jeans for a casual day out. Swap the jeans for a skirt, add a blazer, and you're ready for a business meeting. Replace the blazer with a leather jacket and you've got an edgy evening look. That's 3 outfits from just 4 pieces of clothing. Don't forget about patterns and prints. They can add a splash of personality to your outfit. However, remember to balance them out. If you're wearing a bold pattern top, keep the rest of your outfit relatively simple. This will allow the pattern to stand out without overwhelming the overall look. Lastly, experiment with different textures. Pairing a soft, fluffy sweater with sleek leather pants, for example, can create an interesting visual contrast. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to mix and match and create your unique style. Clothes are important, but accessories can make or break an outfit. Let's talk about the power of accessories and how they can elevate your style. After all, the devil is in the details. Accessories are like the icing on the cake. They add the finishing touches that can turn an ordinary outfit into an extraordinary one. First, let's discuss jewelry. A tasteful piece of jewelry can add a touch of sophistication and class to your ensemble. Think of a sleek silver watch paired with a crisp white shirt or a delicate gold necklace accenting a little black dress. But remember, jewelry should enhance your outfit, not overshadow it. Next, we have hats. Hats can be a bold statement piece or a functional accessory depending on the occasion. A classic fedora can give a casual outfit a touch of refinement, while a beanie can add a hip, laid-back vibe to your winter ensemble. Now let's not forget about scarves. Scarves are versatile and can be worn in a myriad of ways. A silk scarf tied around your neck can be a chic addition to a professional outfit, while a chunky knit scarf can add warmth and texture to a cozy winter look. Shoes and bags are also crucial aspects of accessorizing. They can anchor an outfit, adding both function and style. A pair of sleek black pumps paired with a matching handbag can give a polished look, while a pair of colorful sneakers and a funky backpack can add a playful touch to a casual outfit. Belts, too, are a key accessory. They can cinch in your waist to create a flattering silhouette, or add a pop of color or texture to an otherwise simple outfit. Finally, consider eyewear. A pair of statement glasses can give a nerdy chic vibe, while a pair of stylish sunglasses can add an air of mystery and coolness. In conclusion, choosing the right accessories can dramatically enhance the overall look of your outfit. But remember, balance is key. Over-accessorizing can make an outfit look cluttered and confusing. So, accessories are the final touch to your outfit. Choose wisely, and remember, sometimes less is more. So, we've covered a lot today about making your clothes look stylish. We started off by helping you understand your body type. This is a crucial first step, as knowing your body shape is key to understanding what types of clothing will flatter you the most. From pear to apple, hourglass to rectangle, each shape has its own unique style that can be enhanced with the right clothing choices. Next, we dived into the world of colors. We emphasized the importance of selecting the right colors that complement your skin tone, helping you to stand out in the crowd. Remember, the color wheel is your best friend when it comes to choosing hues that will highlight your best features and make you glow. From there, we moved on to the art of mix and match. We explored how pairing different fabrics, patterns, and styles can create a fresh and exciting look. The key takeaway here is to not be afraid of stepping out of your comfort zone. Try different combinations and see what works for you. Lastly, we discussed accessorizing. Accessories can be the game changer in your outfit. They can add a touch of personality, glamour, or sophistication, depending on what you're aiming for. Whether it's a statement necklace, a stylish hat, or a simple belt, remember that these finishing touches can make or break your look. Remember, fashion is about self-expression. So have fun with it and don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, stay stylish. And that's it for today's style guide, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us to keep creating content that you enjoy. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite style tip? Or do you have any fashion questions you'd like us to answer? Drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button for more fashion and style content. Remember, your style is a reflection of who you are, so don't be afraid to let it shine. Thanks for watching, and remember, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Stay stylish, my friends.
Enjoyed the rush of the game? Now boost your style score. Like the video, comment your favorite tip, subscribe for more. Stay ahead in fashion, just as you do in sports. Until next time, keep winning.